It's a Doc McStuffins magical moment from Disney Junior. Doc's magical stethoscope can do incredible things, but did you know it can even travel in time?
Now I know what's
That just happened. Oh my gosh, it worked! We're in the past. In England?
200 years ago?
I think so.
Hallie wanted to meet her hero, Florence Nightingale, the most famous nurse in history.
I can't believe I'm talking to you!
I'm pretty sure I can't believe it more.
And Florence had some problems with her toys.
Doc, can you fix them?
Of course.
What does she mean?
Good thing I brought your doctor's bag back in time.
Even 19th century Hallie is always on top of things.
Ain't that the truth?
Paste.
Paste.
I can see! Oh! Maybe I am just clumsy after all.
Ha! The best toys are... See?
Oh, she's scared.
Comforting scared patients is a nurse's bread and butter.
Pip, I won't let go of your hand until Doc's done. Are you ready?
As long as you're here, I am. She's a natural.
Go ahead, Doctor. Broken or fixed. That's the face I love.
Let's see.
Let me help you.
The lady with the lamp. That's perfect. There.
Now that's something worth crowing about! Cock-a-doodle-doo!
Oh, I love helping you all so much. It makes me want to crow too.
Thank you for showing Florence how to take care of us.
I promise I'll make you proud.
I know you will.
Oh, I can't believe we got to meet Florence Nightingale.
I know. That was totally amazing.
I wonder if she followed her dreams and became a nurse.
Oh,
Julie! Of course she did. She became the greatest nurse of all time, remember?
Oh, yeah!
Doc's magical stethoscope doesn't just bring toys to life, it makes history come alive too. Keep watching for another magical moment, and you can see Doc McStuffins on Disney Junior.
Thanks for watching! Tap or click for more Disney Junior clips.